Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be talking about my nighttime skincare routine. You probably have already watched my morning skincare routine, but if you haven't done it yet, I will just go ahead and link the video on my description box so you can go ahead and check that out. If you are interested to know the nighttime or my evening skincare routine, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna be doing my nighttime skincare routine. So I have just came back from grocery shopping and I applied a little bit of makeup before I left. I'm gonna do my nighttime skincare routine, and the first product that I use, this is from Hamish or Hamish. I'm not sure how you exactly say it. So Hamish, I'm just trying my best to pronounce it well, so correct me if I'm wrong. And this is the All Clean Balm. This is a cleansing balm from Hamish and it's called All Clean Balm. So I have been using this for already like 2 weeks I believe, and it just works so great on removing my makeup. By far, this is the best makeup remover that I have ever used. Different from all the makeup removers or creams that I have used before. And I also have seen a lot of great reviews from big YouTubers about this product. I think this retails for around, I am not sure how much was it or how much is it. I'm just gonna share the I'm just gonna put the price right here on my screen. It's gonna just pop out there anytime. So this product is amazing. It works so amazing. What I do, I just put a little bit on this a small thing. You call it like a small spoon or scoop. I'm not sure how you exactly call this thing. So I just put like a small amount on this thing and apply it on my face thoroughly. Make sure also to apply it on my neck and just lather on my face. Make sure it's gonna, I always make sure that it's gonna remove the makeup, most especially the eyeshadow, and of course the eyeliner and the mascara. So after that, you will have to rinse off the excess cream on your face. Make sure to rinse it off thoroughly. After the cleansing balm, I wash my face with this product from CosRX. I have already talked about this on my morning skincare routine. This is the low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This is my go-to cleanser, facial cleanser, sorry, and I love it. I love how it works on my skin and how it makes my skin so clean and bright. And after that, I proceed to my toner. So I already showed my toner from my last video. I still use the same toner, and this is from Secret Key, and this is called the Aloe Soothing Moist Toner. So this is my go-to toner at this moment, and so far it works really great with my face and my skin. It moisturizes. It really gives a good it moisturizes my face without making it too oily, and I love how this product works. And what I love most, because this is an aloe soothing moist, so anything about aloe vera is just so great with my skin. And the next product that I use after the toner is of course moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer that I use during nighttime, and this is called Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. So I got this in 2 fluid ounces, and I'm not sure how much this exactly retails for, but I think it's like around 20. But I will just share, or I will just place the price right here on the screen for this product. This is so comforting, and it's deeply hydrating moisturizer, and it contains a rich blend of hydrating ingredients, free of dyes, fragrances, and animal-based components. So this is what I love most about this product. So the next step, I already have shown you this. So this one Claire's, and this is called Pure Vitamin C and Centella Asiatica Extracts Hybrid Stabilization Technology. I already have talked about this on my previous video for my morning skincare routine. I use this in morning and night, and it works magic. I love it. It makes my skin brighter, and also tries to minimize my pores. I think it retails for about 27 bucks. So I'm not quite sure about that, but yes, it's worth the money, or it's worth it if you're gonna invest on this skincare product. Okay, and moving on to the next product is, I have already talked about this on my previous video, and this is the J.1 Jelly Pack by Recipe. So this works magic as well. I love how it works on my skin. It makes my skin elastic. It actually helps on the elasticity of my skin. It's just so amazing. I love it, and it works so great. After applying this product, the J1 Jelly Pack, the last thing that I will have to apply on my face is, of course, this is the Innisfree Real Squeeze Mask. So this mask is just so amazing. Honestly, this is going to be the first time I'm gonna use this brand. So I have heard a lot of great reviews about this mask. The brand is Innisfree. I'm quite not sure how you say it, but you can let me know how you exactly say this brand, Innisfree. This is a Korean brand, and yeah, I got this for $2.50. And this is acai berry, so I will just have to apply this on my face. It's a Innisfree Real Squeeze Mask. This rich cream type real mask, enriched with abundant nourishment of thoroughly squeezed acai berries, leaves the skin resilient and full of life. So I will just have, so after cleansing and toner, and after cleansing, applying toner and my moisturizer, I will just have to unfold and place the mask on my face, of course avoiding the eye and lip area, and leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. As what I have seen on most of the YouTubers, they tend to place the excess liquid, they make it like a lotion on their elbows and knees, so I would definitely do that as well. So you just have to leave it on your skin for 10 to 20 minutes, and after that you will just have to pat your face for further absorption. Appreciate you all guys for your support, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.